Hi, I'm Michelle, the Executive Hardware Repair Trainer here at CellBotics, and I'm with my good friend,
Nicole. I am the cell phone repair trainer here at CellBotics, and I also do the business course.
Awesome. Now check this out. October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. For everybody that's been seeing me for a while, you know that I have been battling breast cancer, which is why I wear this wonderful pink scarf. No, just in case you're wondering,
Just in case you're wondering.
it is not my religious affiliation.
There you go.
This actually represents the fact that I lost my breast cancer. And during Breast Cancer Awareness Month, here at CellBotics, we want to reach out to anybody that is following us and let them know. Make sure that you're doing your monthly screenings. Monthly screenings can save your life. It saved my life. I actually found my own lump. I was able to advocate for myself and go and work with my doctors as a partner to find and eradicate the breast cancer in my body. Now, this year, 5 years, I've been battling breast cancer. So at the end of the year, I'll get all my scans done and they'll let me know if I'm in remission. We're gonna come back, and once I tell you guys the great news that I'm in remission, I think we should run a special.
Okay.
But it'll be a special for my class.
Okay.
If I'm in remission,
which she will be,
at the end of the year in our new spot, and I tell
Atlanta.
everybody, I'm going to give you a code to get $100 off my class in Atlanta.
Uh-oh.
That's right. I'm going to celebrate, and I'm going to give you $100 off my course in Atlanta. So stay tuned for that kind of news. In the meantime, for all you survivors, all you warriors out there, keep up the fight.
Yeah.
Remember, everybody, check yourself. Now, breast cancer not only happens to women, it happens to men. But there are other cancers that happen. Go see your doctor. Work with them as your team.
What is the age like when you should go start getting, like, not just doing like your own self-examination, but where you should have somebody like a doctor?
Well, mammograms, we normally tell women, and it depends. If you have women in your family that have cancer, you should start in your late 30s, early 40s. If you're just a standard woman, you should start having mammograms as soon as you hit age 50. And if you're a guy, you should have prostate exams when you hit the age of 50. I have 4 brothers. So please, let's fight this battle together against cancer. Everybody, from Nicole and I and CellBotics, we love you.
Yes.
And we're going to kick cancer's butt.